Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about something that has been a hot topic in the tech world, cryptocurrency mining. While many people are focused on the potential financial benefits of mining, there's a growing concern about its environmental impact. In this video, we'll explore the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining and what we can do to minimize its negative effect. So, first we must begin with the question, what is cryptocurrency mining? Cryptocurrency mining is the process of using powerful computing hardware to solve complex mathematical algorithms in order to validate instructions and add them to the blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger of all cryptocurrency transactions. In the case of proof of work cryptocurrencies like bitcoins, miners complete to solve complex algorithms using their computing power, and the first one to solve the algorithm receives a reward in the form of newly created cryptocurrency coins. This process requires a significant amount of energy, as the algorithms are designed to be difficult to solve and the computing power required to do so is very high. In other types of cryptocurrencies like proof of stake, miners are not required to solve algorithms but instead hold a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet and are selected to validate transactions based on their stake or investment in the network. Cryptocurrency mining is an important process for maintaining the security and integrity of the blockchain, and it is a key component of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. However, it can also have negative environmental impacts due to the energy consumption required to power the computing hardware used in the mining process. Now let's discuss the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining. The first point is huge consumption of energy. Cryptocurrency mining is a resource intensive process that requires a significant amount of energy to validate transactions on the blockchain network. This energy consumption has raised concern about the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining, particularly in terms of carbon emissions and climate change. To understand why cryptocurrency mining consumes so much energy, it's important to understand the process itself. Cryptocurrencies like bitcoins use proof of work algorithm which involves solving complex mathematical problems using powerful computers. The first miner to solve the problem receives a reward in the form of newly created cryptocurrency coins. This process is repeated continuously to validate new transactions and add them to the blockchain. However, the difficulty of the mathematical problems that need to be solved is designed to increase over time, making it increasingly difficult to mine cryptocurrency. As a result, miners need to increase their computing power to continue mining, which leads to significant increase in energy consumption. According to the University of Cambridge, Bitcoin mining alone consumes approximately 110 terawatt hour of energy per hour. This is equivalent to the annual energy consumption of entire countries like Argentina or Norway. This level of energy consumption results in a significant increase in carbon emissions, which contribute to climate change. The majority of energy consumption in cryptocurrency mining comes from non renewable resources such as coal and natural gas. These sources of energy are significant contributors to air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, which can have long term environmental impact. The concentration of mining operations in the regions with cheaper energy, such as China and Russia, except, exa- exacerbate accelerates the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining. These regions typically rely heavily on coal for energy production, leading to higher carbon emissions and air pollution. The second point is e-waste generation. Cryptocurrency mining is a process that involves verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. This process requires a lot of computing power and specialized equipment such as ASICs, GPUs, and CPUs. These devices are designed to perform a specific task, which is used to solve complex mathematical problems to create new coins and verify transactions. However, due to the high demand for computing power and rapid development of technology, these devices become obsolete quickly, leading to e-waste generation. E-waste is a term used to describe discarded electronic devices such as computers, smartphones, and other electronic gadgets. These devices contain hazardous materials such as lead, cadmium, and mercury that can harm the environment and human health. E-waste also contains valuable resources such as gold, silver, copper, and other precious metals that can be recycled. The mining industry is a significant contributor to e-waste generation. According to the report by the Global E-Sustainability Initiative, the e-waste generated by mining industry is estimated in between 16,000 and 27,000 metric tons per year. The report also suggests that e-waste generation by the mining industry is expected to increase significantly in the future as the demand for computational power and specialized equipments continues to grow. One of the reasons why cryptocurrency mining leads to e-waste generation is the rapid development of technology. ASICs, GPUs, and CPUs become obsolete quickly as new and more efficient models are introduced into the market. This means that the old devices become useless and are often discarded, leading to e-waste generation. The mining industry is a fast-paced and highly competitive market where efficiency and speed are crucial. As a result, mining companies are constantly upgrading their equipment to stay ahead of the competition, leading to a cycle of e-waste generation. Moreover, the mining process itself is energy intensive, which also contributes to e-waste generation. The highly energy consumption of mining equipment leads to overheating, which can damage the devices and reduce their lifespan. This means that mining companies need to replace their equipment more frequently than leading to more e-waste generation. Increased global demand for semiconductors. Semiconductors are essential components of many electronic devices, including those used in cryptocurrency mining. These devices are used to power mining equipment and enable the processing of transactions on the blockchain. However, the increase in demand for semiconductors caused by the cryptocurrency mining has significantly increased environmental implications. The semiconductor industry is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. According to a report by the International Energy Agency IEA, the semiconductor industry is responsible for 0.8% of global energy consumption and 2% of global carbon dioxide emission. The demand for semiconductors caused by cryptocurrency mining is likely to increase the industry's energy consumption and carbon emissions, leading to further environmental degradation. Furthermore, the semiconductor industry is a waste intensive industry. The production of semiconductors requires large quantity of water, which can put pressure on water resources in the regions with water scarcity. For example, many semiconductor manufacturing plants are located in Taiwan where water resources are limited. The increase in demand for semiconductors caused by cryptocurrency mining can exacerbate ಸೂಳೆ ಮಗ ಯಾವನೋ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಸಬರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಸಾಯಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ರಂಡಿ ಮಗನ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕರಬೇಟ್ exacerbate exacerbate the fuck it sounds like masturbate water scarcity in these regions and lead to and social conflicts. Another environmental concern associated with the increase in demand for semiconductors is the depletion of natural resources. The production of semiconductors requires the use of rare earth metals and other precious metals. These resources are not renewable and their extraction can cause significant environmental damage. The increase in demand for semiconductors caused by cryptocurrency mining can lead to increased demand for these resources, accelerating their depletion and causing further environmental degradation. How to reduce environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining? Cryptocurrency mining has been highly criticized for its environmental after effects. However, there are several steps that can be taken to reduce the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining. Number one, use renewable energy resources. One of the most effective ways to reduce environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining is to use renewable energy resources such as solar, wind, or hydropower. This can significantly reduce the carbon footprint of mining operations and help to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. Several companies in cryptocurrency industry are already using renewable energy sources to power their mining operations. For example, one cryptocurrency mining company in Iceland uses geothermal energy to power its mining operations, which has resulted in a significant reduction in carbon dioxide emission. Number two, implement energy efficiency measures. Another way to reduce impact of cryptocurrency mining is to implement energy efficient measures. This can include optimizing the mining hardware for energy efficiency, using energy efficient cooling systems, and implementing energy saving measures such as turning off unused equipment. Energy efficient mining hardware is becoming increasingly popular in the cryptocurrency industry. These devices are designed to consume less energy while still providing the same computational power as traditional mining hardware. By using energy efficient mining hardware, miners can significantly reduce their energy consumption and carbon footprint. Number three, number three, support sustainable mining practices. Another way to reduce the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining is to support sustainable mining practices. This can include supporting mining operations that prioritize sustainability and environmental responsibility, as well as investing in research and development of more sustainable mining technologies. These are already several organizations and initiatives that promote sustainable mining practices in the cryptocurrency industry. For example, the Crypto Climate Accord is a global initiative that aims to make the cryptocurrency industry 100% renewable by 2025. By supporting these initiatives, we can help to promote sustainable mining practices and reduce the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining. Fourth point is recycle electronic waste. Cryptocurrency mining equipment often becomes obsolete quickly, leading to the disposal of electronic waste. This can have significant environmental and health implications. To reduce the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining, it is essential to implement responsible e-waste management practices. Recycling electronic waste can significantly reduce its environmental impact. Electronic waste contains valuable materials that can be reused or recycled, reducing the need for new resource extraction. By implementing e-waste recycling programs and establishing regulations and incentives to encourage responsible disposal of electronic waste, we can reduce the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining. Number 5. Educate the community. Finally, educating the community about environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining can help to promote more sustainable mining practices. By raising awareness about the environmental implications of mining, we can encourage individuals and organizations to take action to reduce their carbon footprint and promote sustainability in the cryptocurrency industry. There are already several resources available to educate the community about the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining. For example, the Cambridge Bitcoin Electricity Consumption Index provides real-time data on energy consumption of Bitcoin network, raising awareness about its environmental impact. So the conclusion is the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining is a complex and multifaceted issue that requires careful consideration from all stakeholders involved. The exponential growth in demand for cryptocurrencies, coupled with the increasing complexity of the mining process, has led to a significant increase in energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. While some efforts have been made to mitigate the environmental impact of mining, such as the shift towards renewable energy sources, there is still much work to be done. Ultimately, the future of cryptocurrency mining will depend on finding a balance between the economic benefits of the industry and its environmental impact. As the industry continues to evolve, it is likely that we will see more innovating solutions emerge, such as the use of carbon credits to offset the emissions generated by mining. It is also essential that policymakers and the regulators take a proactive approach to ensure that the industry operates in an environmentally responsible way. Hence, the industry impact of cryptocurrency mining is significant. It is not an insurmountable problem. By working together, we can find solutions that allow the cryptocurrency industry to continue to grow and innovate while also protecting the planet for future generations. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.